This is Shiva from Shiva Techs. Today I'm going to let you know about the Moneycontrol app, which is leading among the many traders. Recently they have released a pro subscription, that's Moneycontrol Pro. So first let's check out the normal one and then let's go to the Pro. We can find various important things in it. The top main thing in it is the live instant market news, which is plus point in it and very useful to the traders. So you can just see the stock HUL is in a positive way, ICICI Bank in a negative, Indus Bank negative. It displays all the stocks details which is going, and below that you can find a top news of certain stocks which is running lively, and you can see indices, Indian indices, global indices, and there are stock actions, that's top gainers, top losers, active by volume, 52-week high, 52-week low, only buyers, only sellers, etc. And even there is a watch list where you can add a stock and keep track of it. Even commodities and currencies are there, you can just check out. And even mutual funds details have been provided in it, you can just keep track on it. There are all mutual funds, equity, hybrid and debt, and even opinion behind the news are available in it. And even you can get a expert advice of certain things, that is stock reports, fundamental calls, futures and option calls and analysis. So let's go to the markets now. So the market provides all the details of top gainers. You can just see many companies, many stocks are on the top gainers. Top losers, active by value, GAIL, Axis Bank, SBI. Active by volume, 52-week high, 52-week low, only buyers, only sellers. Not only NSE, even BSEs are available in it. You can just check from starting top gainers to top losers, it's available. Top gainers, top losers, active by value, even BSEs are available in it. So even portfolio, you can just add the stocks, whichever stocks you need. I'll add Tata Motors. Investment date, so the date today is 6th June. I'll just add the investment price, it automatically gives the present price. You can add 10 quantity, just the stock is added. You can just keep track of it. The Tata Motors 172.50, latest value is 1725. You can just click on it and check off investments, quantity, investment price, latest value, and even overall gain you can see and days gain you can see. So let's go to the mutual funds. So I have not added any mutual funds. So even it gives bullions, alerts, etc. on what basis you have added in a portfolio. So let's go to the news. In the news sections, it gives a plenty of newses. Top news which is running, it gives us, and you can check for my news. I have not added any watch list to get my news. So let's go to the markets. It gives a live news of market, what is running in the market. So you can go for stocks, it gives a news of particular stocks, even opinion of particular stocks it gives. Podcast is available, business, and even Moneycontrol research is available in it. You can just check mutual funds, commodities, economy, politics. So international news is available in it, startups, all these things are available in the news section of Moneycontrol app. So now let's check out the Moneycontrol Pro. So let's go to the Moneycontrol Pro. So this is what the Moneycontrol Pro, there are 5 icons on it. There are opinion, guru speak, business in the week ahead, research and technical analysis. The main thing in the Moneycontrol Pro is research and technical analysis. So first check what is opinion. The opinion, see, I just said you before, the opinion which is given for a certain news. And guru speak, top researchers speak about a certain stocks which is on full details in it, and business in the week ahead, business in the week ahead, even that is available in it. So let's go to the research and analysis. So research, it gives a complete research on a particular stock, which is a good option in it. You can just see, and even it is a useful thing for a day trader. I mean, for a day trader as well as it's an intraday trader as well as a future traders. It gives a complete details of a stocks. The news, the next is technical analysis. I'll just tell you technical analysis. It gives a technical analysis of certain stocks which has been analyzed by a top researchers. So it gives a details of buy and sell. You can just see Kotak Mahindra Bank entry target, stop loss entry is above 1535, target is 1565 to 1585, stop loss is 1505 as per June 6th. They have given a technical analysis of it. There are plenty of research made and given by the researchers, the Moneycontrol lab. This is one of the best, I guess, in it. So even there are a live newses, you can just see the media. I can just show you the media. CNBC TV is available, CNBC, AWT, and the various newses based on stocks, markets are all available in it. And even you can just see the tax savings, master your money, SME, all the features are available in it. You can just check. Even IPOs, F&O action, FIDI and MF activity, broker researchers, all the details are available in it. And this is what the overall thing Moneycontrol does. So this is one of the best app for traders to keep an instant track on share markets, and even it is good for beginners as well as experts. Overall 90% experts use this app for live news which makes a changes in the stock markets, instant change it gives in a stocks where the news has the major role in it. So I guess this is one of the important app for the traders to keep in their phone, or as well as they can use the website in it. And recently they have released a WhatsApp group to give a live instant news. It is in the description, you can just save it and join in the group. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.